They come back. Oh, it's on the box. Look, y'all. Look, you see it? It's on the dang camera. Look at what we dealing with. It's gone, babe. It's gone.
Cool, child. Flies, bees. Come on, it's the Big Mac. Can't say the last time I got chased by a bee.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not a Big Mac fan. I don't even like the sauce, man. It's a sauce for me. But I know they got Big Mac sauce, so we are really trying to get this video through it because they got bees. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So, babe, you wanna go ahead and take the first bite? You wanna show them real quick?
Okay. Did you show? I thought you showed them.
I mean,
I was busy running from the bee.
When the box open.
All right.
Ooh. We only got one just so, you know, we don't like it.
I don't like Big Mac.
I really don't like Big Mac anyway, so.
So let's see. I mean, it looks good.
You want to bite it at the same time? You get a bite, I get a bite.
Lord,
babe, don't you run with that burger. It's a fly, babe. It's just a fly.
The Big Mac about to be on the floor. You know, you got to check your food wherever you go.
There you go, definitely. Okay, it look good.
All right.
It reminds me of filet.
Oh.
It look like a fish. That
right.
cheese look like. Oh,
is it upside down?
Okay,
the cheese at the bottom.
Go ahead and smush it like a, you know, and get you a nice big bite.
Yeah, no, it's
Ooh,
never going to be like the.
Ooh, okay.
Hold up, wait a minute. Just a little bit of sauce. Ain't this about the sauce?
It's on both sides, though. It's on both sides.
Okay. All right.
Ooh, y'all. Go ahead, babe. Cut up.
You like it?
Right after you, I'm going to go in.
This thing is torturing me. Okay.
Let me try one more bite.
Woo!
What, babe?
The bee.
It's on my locks? Oh, see? I don't know, y'all. It's okay.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Here you go. You try one more time?
What?
Look.
Man, you done ate around.
Look this right out. It's straight. It's not the craziest thing to go run to, but.
Would you get it again?
No. I wouldn't.
Babe,
what you think? Try it out.
Side is mine. You done ate all around.
Girl, I done drunk from your cup. I done did so much already. What you talking about?
We done swapped DNA so many times, huh?
Made some children with it.
Right. Okay.
One more bite. You got a lot of sauce on that side.
Babe.
I got you.
No, because you have not been seen.
I got you.
All
Right. Do you think?
Some people probably laughing at us in their car.
All
right.
Yum. You feeling that? I'm not a fan of the sauce. Yeah, I feel like there's more meat in the buns. Pause. But you know, it gets you right. So thank you, babe.
You are.
Yeah, but yeah, it's.
Oh, is it in my hair?
In your hair? I don't bees gonna be trailing you.
I don't know. I'm beefing with the Big Mac.
So yeah, this is our
pleasurable experience.
This is our bite right here, you guys, and we're gonna. That's a wrap. We gotta get out of here. These dang bees.
Go join the children at the playground.
Yeah.